Bridgeport.
Bridgeport.
All day. Huh.
Period.
Yeah.
Jamaica.
Bridgeport, Jamaica.
Nah, just Jamaica.
Oh. Shout out to
Windsor,
Jamaica.
nigga. I'm from the dub.
Nigga from the sticks.
I know that.
Windsor, Connecticut.
Windsor, Connecticut.
Windsor.
Windsor, Connecticut.
With a Windsor.
Ow.
Windsor.
Listen, Windsor sound like weed and whiskey, so it works.
It don't sound like weed and whiskey.
Hey.
It sounds like it's a bunch of privileged people who finally wanted to get away from the hood and finally made enough money to pay lower property taxes.
That's exactly what it is. Don't get nobody get it fucked up. Don't come over there starting no bullshit. My suburbs is nice. I don't like that shit.
Don't start now.
Don't be no.
Listen,
won't be that.
if he like Windsor, let him like Windsor though. Shout out to the smart consumers. That's where we at though. With
Exactly,
it. You feel me?
smart consumers.
We out here. Well now.
All I know is have a eat and decide and need to start consume.
Period.
Facts. So,
Welcome to Weed and Whiskey Podcast.
that too. Can you introduce yourself? We went right straight into this shit.
I mean, I'm
Get
here
your
with
name.
it. This is huge. What up, y'all? My name is Shaneta Nicole, preferably Walker, and that's that.
Walker.
Walker. That's my full name. I'm government out here with this shit.
For real?
Yeah, last name Walker.
Why not?
I mean, to be fair, Walker is probably one of the most common fucking last names out here.
I mean, we on the weed and whiskey show, so you gotta talk about Johnny, right?
You're a Johnny Walker drinker?
Nah, I just know my
He just has the same last name as me, so I know it.
I just got to
anything
know
with
my
your last
drinks.
name, you take mad pride in that shit.
There's so many songs, you have no idea.
Did you ever own a Walkman? Or about a
dad
walkie-talkie?
My dad did. And does Boost Mobile count? Because it was
Well,
so the chirp.
The church drinks is. I was so mad my mom.
That was
never
like
let
a
me get church.
walkie-talkie with internet.
It's from like cross town too.
Can you hear me now?
This shit worked. That was the favorite part.
I was so mad I never got one of them shits.
I still want one of them shits. I want
I
the next
think they
style.
shouldn't have never even like went obsolete with it.
They were trash as a company.
Oh.
That's why most companies don't last, because they're trash. Or get bought out because they're really good. One or the other.
One or the other.
One or the other.
I guess I'm just a fan and collector of the church.
How do you feel about tonight?
I feel good. I feel it's been a while since I've A, performed, and B, performed in Bridgeport. I'm normally on like the other side of just enjoying myself and
What's
watching.
the other side?
Like enjoying myself, watching, showing up, showing support.
Being a fan, being a supporter.
Yeah.
So
I feel like I'm just a diehard supporter. Like maybe not even diehard, but go hard. Cause fan is like I'm still studying that word and what it means to me.
So I'm trying to stop using the word fan.
Yeah.
I like supporter better. It's a much better term because if I'm sharing your shit, bumping your shit, I'm supporting.
Facts. Yeah, fan is just
Too close to fanatic.
But does that? But does that word take? Do you take that word differently because you are a creative and not a consumer?
I think every creator is a consumer because you have to consume to create.
right.
But I would say most creatives would say the word fan is more quote unquote offensive.
I want
Yeah.
fans and I want supporters.
Yeah.
I have learned as a creator, like on that side, and I've learned that I'm learning what my fans are. I know who my support is.
That's what I'm saying. There's two different things.
Okay.
It's
Like-
like you have both.
And for me, like it could be a little off-putting a little bit because I'm not used to it. You get me? Like,
Yeah.
oh, somebody was seeing me on Instagram or whatever. It's just like, yo, and I'm like,
That's a fan.
I didn't understand. So all these years, stranger danger. You feel me? Just
Yeah.
people, yeah, what up?
It's definitely being a fan. There's the people
Yeah.
who are doing things
Facts.
as you and they're supporting you even the same as a fan is, but now they're a supporter.
Right.
Because now they can put you on as well too. They can put you in positions to build your fan base.
Right. But the thing about tonight, like this is family at home. So that's probably where it's like, I'm just back
different.
home. This is my support, you feel me? And vice versa, you feel like
Facts.
yeah.
So how does it feel performing with women tonight? Like an all women performance.
Whatever that is, I feel like I understand.
I'm ready for the party after.
I love your energy. I do.
You know what I'm saying?
I love that energy. I came with the smoke. I came with the smoke.
Yeah, me too.
I need to roll up now.
So
We have thresholds of how long we can go without not smoking.
How long has it been? I'm interested now. What's your...
It's probably been...
When we get here?
We got here like around 7:15.
So about 20 minutes, maybe 15, 20 minutes before that.
So it's been almost an hour now since we smoked.
That's light. That's...
Not when your profession is weed and whiskey.
Ooh.
Yeah, usually if this was the studio, we'd be in here smoking.
That's my job. Like literally, my job is to smoke and drink.
But it's limits over here. I understand.
Nah,
Yeah, but that's
if
what
we limit ourselves, we're limiting our brand.
Oh,
Can't do that.
y'all teacher be something.
Can't do that. We go all in all the time.
Is this a podcast or a lesson? Hello?
A little bit of both.
Both. There you go. See,
I told you this ain't a podcast. This ain't it. We don't do interviews. See where I'm going? We don't.
I love that.
Exactly.
You guys are...
your co-host.
You just made me a fan. You see how that happened?
That's all. She love us from a different perspective now.
We have to have you on the show.
Yeah, we gonna link up after
Because
this.
your energy is.
Yeah, we gonna link up after this.
One
No,
that
but
can-
seriously, I fuck with y'all.
Yeah, we gonna do something. Where can they find you? Please tap.
Wait.
They gotta tap in because you showed personality. This is
Yeah,
what we
exactly.
love. Tap in.
Appreciate y'all. So listen, you can find me SHENETA Nicole Shaneta Nicole on Instagram at Gmail. Mainly those two right now for technology and communication purposes. Shout out Word of Moco. I was here last week promoting some. You can find me here. And that's it.
Say less. Tap the fuck in.
Facts.
Tap
in.
in.
Personalities only. And with that being said, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. This is how much we love your personality. We're giving our actual closer, the closer we give for actual episodes. And with that being said, guys, thank you guys for tuning in for Weed and Whiskey. We had another great fucking personality. It was only like 6 minutes, but it was that fucking great. Personality is in a nutshell. And with that being said, y'all know the drill, man. Please grab her by the pussy with consent. Have a good one, guys.